Hi guys, we are back with the classic comforts episode from Dinner Time Live, and I'm gonna cook through a couple more dishes here from that episode and show you how they're done. We're gonna do our fettuccine Alfredo. I skipped the dough making process. I got the dough right here. It's very simple. You can find 1,000 different egg dough, pasta dough recipes online. For this recipe in particular, I used 4 whole eggs, 2 egg yolks, a pinch of salt, and 450 grams of double O flour. I mix mine in the Thermomixer. You could do it in a mixer at home, or you can do it by hand. But you want to let it rest for at least half an hour before you get started, which is what we've done. We're ready to go. So we will start. While you rest it, you want to make sure it's covered either in plastic or in a bowl with like a wet towel over it to make sure it doesn't get any gross skin or anything on it. So I'll start rolling it out. I'll start with just a little bit of flour on the board, make sure it's not sticking. And then, you can always add a little more as you go, but you don't want to go too much because your dough will get too dry. All right. So you just keep turning it. You can flip it over as you go. You can also, of course, use a pasta machine if you've got that. But we're going hand roll today. It gets easier as you go along, as it gets thinner. Just keep turning it. From where we are right now, I don't know how easy it is to see, but probably about half of that thickness. You got to compensate a little bit because as it cooks, it's going to absorb water and that's going to make it thicker, and you don't want your noodle to be too thick. So, yeah, I think we're good. So from this stage, you have this big circular deal, kind of, right? So if you wanted to, if you're really particular and you want all of your noodles to come out exactly the same length, you could trim this so you have more of a rectangle. That way every single noodle will be the same in size. All right. All right, so I'll just square up the side. We're just gonna cut nice little noodles. I guess that's about around a quarter of an inch thick. That'll be plenty. And then we're gonna go back through and kind of unwrap them. Could be a little bit thinner if you're gonna be picky, but we're gonna roll with this today. And then as I'm doing this, I've got my heavily salted water boiling to the side, waiting for me. You do want to salt the water because we're gonna use this starchy, salty pasta water later to help make our sauce, our Alfredo sauce. This is the fun part right here. Oh, look who showed up. This guy right here is 4 whole eggs, 2 egg yolks, a little pinch of salt, and 450 grams of double O flour.
Eggy. Rich.
Yeah, super eggy.
Hence the delightful yellow color.
Rich is this dish's middle name.
Fettuccine
Rich.
Alfredo. Richard Alfredo.
All right, so we're gonna start our sauce. Like I said, we're gonna use some of this beautiful starchy pasta water. It is salted. You do want to be careful not to go too salty.
Stop right there. This looks delicious. I mean, I would eat that.
Like that? Would you like it?
I would just eat that by itself.
I believe some would refer to that as soup. So we do want to be careful, make sure it's not too salty, because we're adding all that Parmesan cheese in there and all that. All those things are salty, so you could end up with a salty mess at the end if you're not careful. Think we should start pulling it? Or let those thick bad boys cook a little longer.
Here's what I'll say to you. If I were Italian, I'd be like,
Mamma mia.
Mamma mia, it's perfectly al dente.
Oh, better get it out. I think we're very close. I'm pulling it out now because it's still gonna cook. You know, it's.
I like this thickness, by the way.
All right, so I got my pasta water, butter, noodles are all in the pan. Now I'm gonna start adding that cheese. That's grated Reggiano Parmigiano. The good stuff. You know how to say Parmesan in Italian?
Parmesan.
Parmesan.
Beautiful language.
I think that looks pretty good, huh? What do you think? Should we go a little more
Is that cream
saucy?
or no cream in there?
No cream.
Wow.
No cream. Smells like Parmesan.
You want to give it a splash or no?
I think I want to give it a taste before anything.
What an amazing way to eat pasta.
I'm gonna use a little pinch of salt.
Ooh. Ooh.
I do want to give it.
Dude.
We're gonna go Americano here. Don't tell anyone.
Just give it like a little, oh yeah, block this.
Just a splash.
Oh.
Did you add a little salt or no?
I'm pretty happy with it.
You like it? No more salt?
I don't think so.
Okay, we're going for it here. Get a little bobbin action.
Alfred's fettuccine. Oh, look at that.
This is a move. What do they call this in Italian? The twirl.
The twirl.
Alfredo is rolling in his grave right now.
I suck at this twirl. I suck at plating like this.
You just got to go the side of the, use the side of the pan is the trick right here. See?
Got it.
Pull it up. I think that's a good size portion for 3. And then this is optional, but you know.
Oh, we just went to carbonara.
Because we didn't have enough pepper in our Caesar yesterday. So. And that's that.
Look at that. That's a beaut, man.
I taste Parmesan.
I do like it.
I think it's good.
I do like that a lot. My name is Chris, and I'm here to say I like fettuccine in a major way. Cream sauce, butter sauce, Parmesan too. No, that's behind a paywall. You want more of that? You gotta give it the Patreon.
That's why he's here. I am not capable of that.
You don't flow like this. He's gonna keep on making recipes from Dinner Time Live so you all can see what they look like at normal human speed and not Chang speed of light. At least as many as we can remember.
Are you calling me slow right now?
I'm calling you
Normal?
kind and
Kind of normal.
you're just kind of like a normie.
Just kind of mellow.
Just kind of mid. So, like button, subscribe button, kiss him, pet him, do something to him, and we'll talk to you all
We'll be back.
very soon.